Let's watch example 1. 12 men can do a piece of work in 30 days. How many days will 18 men required to do the same piece of work? So in that question what I am given, 12 men can do a piece of work in how many days? 12 men can do it in how many days? 30 days. But question what I am asking, how many days will 18 men required to do the same piece of work? But here work is equal, then formula is m1 d1 equals to m2 d2 according to formula. m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. If it's given same work in both sections, so then we have to get direct formula. So what is that? m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. So m1 m2 are strength, d1 d2 are times. So here m1 how much given? So m1 value 12 men. 12 men can do a piece of work in how many days? 30 days. But question, how many days? Nothing but d2. 18 men, nothing but m2. How many days? X days required to do the same piece of work. So this is a equation according to cancellation. 6 3s are 6 2s are, again 3 1s are 3 10s are, then answer is 20. X equals to 20. So what I am given? So given clearly we have to observe this is a required answer 20, but question before what I am given, 12 men can do a piece of work in how many days? 30 days. And question what I am asking, 18 men can do the same piece of work in how many days? This is a question. Am I clear? So less men can do it in more time, more men can do it in less time. So that's why I am getting 20. 20 days is right answer. So less strength can do a piece of work in 30 days. Less strength takes more time, more strength takes less time. So that's why I am getting 20 is a required answer. But in the mathematical equation, everyone should follow cross multiplication, but especially in time and work conditions. If it's given time and work condition, what is the relation between them? Inversely proportional. That means you should apply direct multiplication, nothing but 12 into 30 by 18. That is the required step. This is shortcut method. So 12 into, don't apply cross multiplication. If you apply cross multiplication, answer more than 30. But that is a wrong concept, because more strength, if strength is increases, time should be decreases. So 12 into 30 by 18 is required answer. 12 2s are, 12 3s are, 3 10s are, then answer is 20 days. Am I clear? So less strength can do a piece of work in more time, more strength can do it in less time. That is a condition in time and work. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 2. 20 men can finish a piece of work in 24 days. How many days will 12 men require to do the same work? Question what I am given, 20 men. So 20 men can do the piece of work in how many days? 24 days. Question what I am asking, how many days will 12 men? Here strength will decreases, but time should be increases. So what is the formula? Do the same piece of work. Do the same piece of work means you should go with always direct multiplication. What is the direct multiplication? 12 into 24 by 12. So 20 into 24 by 12. That is the required step. One more step. Only one step is required. 12 into 24 by 12. Don't apply cross multiplication. If you apply cross multiplication, the answer gets more than 24. That is the wrong answer, because less strength will decreases, time should be increases. Am I clear? This is required answer. 12 1s are, 12 2s are, then answer is 40 days. 22s are 40. So according to formula what I am given, m1 d1 equals to, if work is equal, same work, nothing but m1 d1 equals to m2 d2. But question what I am given, 20 men can do a piece of work in 24 days. m1 d1 given. m2 12 men can do the same piece of work in how many days? X days. 12 1s are, 12 2s are, 20 into 2 40, that is x. How many days? 40 days. This is a formula method, but especially in time and work one should have to remember it. So you don't apply cross multiplication, always apply direct multiplication, just like that. 20 into 24 by 12. This is time and work concept. Am I clear? So you know that more strength can do it in less time, less strength can do it in more time. Answer kuda meeru verify chesukochu. Have a look at example number 3. If 72 men can do, so 72 men can build a wall 280 meters long in 21 days. So if it is given units, it will be considered as a work. This is a work. What I am given work, 280 meters long wall, okay, in 21 days. How many men will require 18 days to build the similar wall, type of wall of the length 100 meters? So if work is not equal, so we will go with m1 d1 equals to m2 d2. This is the formula. M1 d1 by work is not equal, m1 d1 by w1, yes, w1 equals m2 d2 by w2, because work is not equal. So have not equal, you should go with that formula. If work is equal, w1 w2 cancel, nothing but equal, m1 d1 equal to m2 d2. But here work is different. So in first section 280 meters long wall given, here last second section 100 meters long given, that is w1 w2. So put the values in that equation. So m1 72 men can do a piece of 280 meters wall, nothing but w1 in how many days? 21 days, that is a d1. But question what I am asking, how many men? Nothing but m2, it will be considered as x into d2, 18 days, built in 18 days, same similar wall of 100 meters, w2 100 meters. Am I clear? So first one 0 0 cancel in denominator, 18 1 ja, 18 4 ja, 72. Am I clear? Again 4 1 ja, 4 7 ja, 28. Again 7 1 ja, 7 3 ja, 21. According to cross multiplication, x equal to 30. So how many men required? 30 men required. So that is the required answer. Am I clear? Let's go. Okay, have a look at example number 4. If 20 men can build a wall 60 meters long in 6 days, what length of similar wall, nothing but, can be built by 80 men in 8 days? So here work is not equal. So because already given here 60 meters long wall given, here 80. So nothing but question what I am asking, what length of similar wall, but you don't know w2. So clearly if work is not equal, what is the formula? m1 d1 by w1 equals to m2 d2 by w2, m2 d2 by w2. So here m1 m2 are strength, d1 d2 are time, and w1 w2 are work. So m1 value how much given? 20 men. 20 men can can build a 60 meters long. So 60 meters long in how many days? 6 days. So d1 6, w1 60. But question what I am asking, m2 already given. So 80 men can do 8 days, built in 8 days. The same similar length of wall, how many meters long? With x meters long. Okay na? 0 0 cancel, 6 6 cancel. Am I clear? 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. Therefore x equal to cross multiplication 80 into 4, 320 meters long wall, built by 80 men in 8 days. This is the question. Am I clear? Let's go to question number 5. A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days and B can do it in 15 days. Can do it means here which one? It nothing but same piece of work. A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days. Nothing but A ఒక్కడే ఆ వర్క్ ఎన్ని రోజులు చేస్తే 10 days. But question B can do it in 15 days. Same piece of work completed by B in 15 days. But here which one is equal? Work equal. Same can do it, nothing but same piece of work. In how many days will A and B together do the same work? In how many days will A and B together? This is very important. అంటే ఇద్దరు కలిపి చేయడం అన్నమాట. వర్క్ టుగెదర్ డూ ద సేమ్ వర్క్ నథింగ్ బట్ ఏ అలోన్ బి అలోన్ వర్క్. ఇద్దరు వేరువేరుగా చేసే వర్క్లు ఏం కాదండి, ఒకే వర్క్. ఇయర్ వర్క్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్, ఇద్దరు కలిపి చేస్తే ఎన్ని రోజులు అవుతుందని అడుగుతున్నారు. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఇస్ గివెన్ టూ వేరియబుల్స్, ఏ అండ్ బి, ఓకే. సో టుగెదర్ మీన్స్, so together, this is very important. Together means always go with product by sum. This is the formula. So here product means A into B by A plus B. This is a together formula. Am I clear? This is the time and work formula. Together, nothing but product by sum. This is a shortcut method. So I explain you later that school method, traditional method, but before that have a look at, focus on shortcut method. So if it is given together, nothing but always you will go with product by sum, nothing but A into B by A plus B. A into B, A value 10, B value 15 by A plus B, 10 plus 15, 25. This is the required answer. A and B together, okay, clear? So 5 2s are, 5 5s are, 5 3s are. So 2 into 3, 6 days. That is the required answer. Am I clear? So this is a shortcut formula method. This is very important. Together means always you will go with product by sum, nothing but A into B by A plus B. So if it is given 3 members, product by sum means A B C by A into B, product nothing but A into B into C by, this is wrong, sum nothing but what? AB plus BC plus CA. This is a 3 variables concept, ABC by AB plus BC plus CA. Am I clear? So before that, so question what I am asking, together. Actually in that question what I am asking, together A and B together can do the same piece of work in how many days? A alone 10 days, B alone can do it in 15 days. According to traditional method, so A one day work. So A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days. A one day work 1 by 10. Am I clear? So B one day work equals to 1 by 15 because B complete same piece of work in 15 days. But question what I am asking together. So A plus B, first one we have to add A and B. 1 day work equals to 1 plus 10, 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. 1 by 10 plus 1 by 15. What is LCM? 30 LCM. And this is 10 3s and 15 2s. So 5 by 30. 5 by 30 means what? 1 by 6. 5 by 30 means 1 by 6. Clearly we need to understand. So A and B together 1 day work. 1 day work equals to 1 day work. 1 day work equal to finally what I am getting? 1 by 6. This is 1 by 6. Am I clear? 5 by 30 means 1 by 6. So chudandi A and B complete 1 day work equal to 1 by 6. And out of 6 parts, 1 part complete in 1 days. But total together can complete in how many days? Total number of days nothing but 6 days. So 1 day lo 1 by 6 చేస్తే కంప్లీట్ చేయడానికి ఏమవుతుంది? 6 days అయితే కదా 1 day లో 1 by 6 అవుతుంది. ఇది నార్మల్ ట్రెడిషనల్ మెథడ్. దిస్ ఈజ్ లెందీ ప్రాసెస్. సో దట్ ఈస్ బెటర్ చాయిస్. విల్ గో విత్ షార్ట్ కట్ మెథడ్. A into B by A plus B. ఆమె క్లియర్? సో దీన్నే ఇంకొక విధంగా కూడా చేయొచ్చు. ఇక్కడ నేను చేస్తాను చూడండి. సో A alone can do a piece of work in how many days? A alone can do. So one more, that is a LCM method. That is also very important. So according to LCM method, so question what I am given, first one, A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days. B can do it in 15 days. But question what I am asking, together can do the same piece of work in how many days? So first one you have to take LCM of these two numbers. So 10 and 15 LCM 30. Let us consider total work equals to 30 units. So what I am taking, total work equals to 30 units. Total work consider as a 30 units work. Okay, units. So 30 units work A alone can do it in how many days? 10 days. So A 1 day lunch చేస్తాడండి. A 1 day work తీసుకుందాం. A 1 day work. So 30 units అనుకుంటే nothing but LCM 10 and 15 LCM. Already told you LCM concept in LCM and SCF topic. So first one you have to obtain highest common factor of these two numbers. Anyone cancelled by that SCF, remaining product is said to be LCM. 2 into 15, 30. So total work 30 units అనుకుంటే A alone can complete a 1 day work equals ఏమవుద్ది? So 30 by 10 nothing but 3 units. 3 units ఎవరు చేస్తారు? 30 by 10. 30 by 10 nothing but 3 units. Am I clear? B alone 1 day work. So total 30 units. B 1 day work మనకు ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలంటే బై 15 చేయాలి బికాస్ ఊజ్ ఎఫిషియన్సీ 15 days. సో 2 units వర్క్ చేస్తాడు. వీళ్ళిద్దరూ కలిపి యాక్చువల్లీ A ప్లస్ B మీరు తీసుకున్నారనుకోండి. A ప్లస్ B. సో A ప్లస్ B టుగెదర్. సో టుగెదర్ 1 day వర్క్ ఎంత అవుతుందంటే 1 day వర్క్లో ఎంత చేస్తారు? సో వాడిది 3 units, ఇది 2 units అంటే 5 units చేస్తారు. 5 units complete in 1 day, A and B together. But total how many units work given? 30 units work. So 1 day లో 5 units చేస్తే 30 units చేయడానికి ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది అంటే బై 5 కదండి. 1 day ఎఫిషియన్సీ డివైడ్ చేయాలి. 6 days. That is the required answer. Total work 30 units. 1 day efficiency A and B 1 dayలో ఎంత చేస్తారంటే 5 units. అందులో ఏది 3 units, Bది 2 units for 1 day. సో అంటే ఇద్దరు కలిపి 1 dayకి 5 units చేస్తున్నారు. 30 units చేయడానికి ఎంత టైం పడుద్ది? 6 days. This is the required answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 6. Sixth example. A, B, C can do a piece of work in 10 days, 12 days, 15 days respectively. How long will they take to finish it if they work together? So if it's given 3 variables, we should go with that formula. A, B, C, B, A, B plus B, C plus A. That is lengthy process. What I am taking, efficiency. That is very important. So what I am given question, A alone can do a piece of work in 10 days. B alone can do it in 12 days and C can do same work in 15 days. That is the meaning respectively means that is order. A alone in 10 days, B alone in 12 days and C alone in 15 days respectively. So let us consider first, let me take an LCM of these 3 numbers. So what is LCM? 60 is LCM. How to find the LCM of 10, 12 and 15? First one you have to obtain highest common factor of first 2 numbers. 2 is the highest common. factor, any one cancel by 2 between them. So 2 5s are 5 into 12 60, 15 also common factor of 60, nothing but directly 60 is a LCM. So let me take in total work equals to 60 units. So total work, what I am taken first, total work equals to 60 units. Am I clear? So 60 units work done by A, 10 days, nothing but first one you have to obtain 1 day work for A, B, C. So what is 1 day work? 60 by 10, next 6 units work done by A in 1 day. Next 60 by 12, 5 units work done by B in 1 day, and 60 units work C in 15 days. 1 day work 4 units, 60 by 15. So 6, 5 and 10, total 10. Am I clear? 15. So in 1 day 15 units complete both by A, B, C. How will get 6 5 4? 60 units work done by A, 10 days in 1 day. What I am taken? 1 day work, 60 by 10, 6, 60 by 12, 5, 60 by 15, 4. So all 3 together complete 1 day work equal to 15 units. But total work entandi 60 units. So 1 day ki 15 units cheste 60 units cheyadaniki enta time paduddi? Exactly 4 days. So 4 days is required answer. Idi easy anamata. Am I clear? So let us go to question number 7. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. So if, A and B can complete a piece of work in nothing but can do nothing but together. So here what I am given, together. Together is very important. A and B together. So A and B together can do a piece of work in 12 days. So both together can do it in 12 days. And what I am given, A alone, if A alone can finish the same work in 20 days, but question what I am asking, in how many days B alone finish it? It means same piece of work. So given question, A and B together can do it in how many days? 12 days. 12 days. In that work, same work, A alone finished in 20 days. But question is asking B alone. So B alone can do it in how many days? Alone means product by difference. This is a formula. This is very important. Product by difference. So product nothing but, so if it is given together product by sum, alone means product by difference. Product nothing but 12 into 20 by difference nothing but 8. 12 and 20. Alone work is more than, alone days is more than that of together. అలోన్ చేసే వరకు ఎక్కువ టైం వస్తుంది, గుర్తుపెట్టుకోండి. ఎందుకంటే ఇద్దరు కలిపి చేశారంటే టైం తగ్గుతుంది, ఇండివిజువల్ చేశారంటే టైం ఎక్కువ వస్తుంది. అది దట్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. సో ప్రొడక్ట్ బై డిఫరెన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా ఆఫ్ అలోన్. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆస్కింగ్ అలోన్ మీన్స్ ఆల్వేస్ యూ విల్ గో విత్ ప్రొడక్ట్ బై డిఫరెన్స్. సో 4 2s are 4 3s are 2 1s are 2 10s are. Then answer is 3 into 10, 30 days is the required answer. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 8. సో దీన్ని మనకు ఎల్సిఎంలో కూడా చేయొచ్చు, అది కూడా చూపిద్దాం. ఒకసారి చూడండి. క్వశ్చన్ వాట్ ఐఎమ్ గివెన్, ఏ అండ్ బి కెన్ డూ ఏ పీస్ ఆఫ్ వర్క్ ఇన్, సో టుగెదర్ కెన్ డూ ఇట్ ఇన్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్? 12 days. 12 days. B, A alone can do it in 20 days, but question asking B alone. This is a question. Okay, but in the out of 3 sections, which one is equal? Work equal. First one you take LCM. What is LCM of 12 and 20? 60. 60 is LCM. Let me take in total work equals to 60 units. 60 units. Am I clear? So first one you have to find 1 day work efficiency for A and B. Okay, 1 day work. So total already considers a total work equal to 60 units. It's depend on the LCM always. So 60 by 12. So together can do it in 12 days for 60 units work. 1 day how many units work completed? 8 units. Sorry, 5 units. I will get 5. 60 by 12. So A alone finish a work in how many days? 1 day work 3 units. I will get 3 units. 60 by 20. Because A alone can do it in 20 days. A total work of 60 units. For each 1 day, how many units has been completed? 3 units. How will get 3? 60 by 20. So A and B ఇద్దరు కలిపి 5 యూనిట్స్ చేస్తున్నారు. అందులో ఏ ఒకటే 3 యూనిట్స్ చేస్తున్నారు అంటే బీది ఎంత వస్తుంది? అది మైనస్ చేయాలి, అంటే 2 యూనిట్స్ వస్తుంది. ఈ 2 యూనిట్స్ వర్క్ ఎవరిదంటే బీది, అంటే బీ 1 డే వర్క్ 2 యూనిట్స్. అలా 60 యూనిట్స్ ఉందండి. 60 యూనిట్స్ రోజుకి మీరు 2 యూనిట్స్ చేశారనుకోండి, ఎన్ని డేస్ పడుతుంది అంటే 30 days. దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. బీ అలోన్ 30 days, both are same. So 30 days is a B alone efficiency. B alone can do it in how many days? 30 days. Am I clear? So let's go to question number 8. A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. B and C can do it nothing but same piece of work in 15 days. And C and A can do it in 20 days. So here what I am given, together combination A, B, B, C, C, A. So A and B together complete a work in 12 days. Same work B and C completed in 15 days and C and A completed the same work in, it means same work 20 days. If A, B, C work together, all three together, they will complete the work in how many days? This is a question. So if it is given this type of question, how we are going to approach the answer? So first what I am given, A and B complete a work in how many days? 12 days. Next one, B and C can do the same piece of work in 15 days and C and A finish the same piece of work in 20 days. But question what I am asking, A plus B plus C, all three together can complete in how many days? So if it is given this type of question, we will go with LCM. So what is LCM of 12, 15, 20, 60 is the LCM. Okay na? 60 by 12. So 60 by 12 మీరు చేశారనుకోండి ఎఫిషియన్సీ వస్తుంది. 60 by 12 nothing but 5 units. 60 by 15 nothing but 4 units. 60 by 20 nothing but 3 units. Am I clear? So all three together అంటే 5 plus 4 plus 3 what is the total? 12 units చేస్తున్నారు. So 12 5s are 60 but into 2 additionally taken, 5 2s are 10 is a required answer. This is a shortcut method. Into 2 ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నా అంటే each one comes twice, A B C. If it is added AB plus BC plus C, so each one comes 2 but additionally finally we have to multiply it with 2. So each one comes twice. Okay. So I will get 5 and 4 3 LCM. First one LCM 60, 60 by 12 5, 60 by 15 4, 60 by 23. So all together nothing but into 2 taken because each one appears twice here. So and finally into 2 taken, 12 5 is 60, 5 into 2 10 days. This is a shortcut method. So what is a traditional method? A and B can do a piece of work in 12 days. A and B one day work. A and B one day work. This is a traditional method. Okay na? Nothing but a school method. A and B one day work equals to 1 by 12 because whose efficiency 12 days. 12 days. Next B and C one day work. B plus C together 1 day work equals to 1 by 15. Total 15 days given. Next C and A 1 day work equals to 1 by 20. This is traditional method. So if it is added all three equations, 2 common because each one comes twice. A plus B plus C, 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's, 2 A's, 2 B's, 2 C's. 1 day work equals to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 plus 1 by 20. So what is LCM? LCM is 60. Am I clear? So 12 5 is 60, 5 into 1, 5. 15 4 is 4 into 1. 15 4 is 60. 23 is 60, 3 into 1, 3. So total 12 by 60, nothing but 1 by 5. 1 by 5. So 2 into 1 plus 5. Therefore A plus B plus C, 1 day work. 1 day work equals to 1 by 10 because into 2. Actually this is a 2 into A plus B plus C. 1 day work equals to 1 by 5. A plus B plus C 2 cross multiply చేస్తే by 10 అయిపోతుందంటే అది. సో 1 day work 1 by 10 బట్ టోటల్ వర్క్ కంప్లీట్ ఇన్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్? టోటల్ వర్క్ ఎంత వచ్చింది మనకు? 10 వచ్చింది చూడండి. 1 dayలో ఆల్ త్రీ టుగెదర్ 1 day work 10 days. సో టోటల్ కంప్లీట్ వర్క్ ఇన్ హౌ మెనీ డేస్? 10 days. 1 dayలో ఎంత వస్తుంది? దాని రెసిప్రోకల్ ఆన్సర్ అవుతుంది బికాస్ 1 day work 1 by 10 all together can do it in how many days? 10 days. This is completion work. Okay na? Completed work, completed nothing but in 10 days. This is a traditional method. Have a look at question number 9. P and Q can do a piece of work in 10 days. Q and R can do it in 12 days and R and P in 15 days. How many number of days required for P alone do the same piece of work? So in that question what I am given, P and Q, nothing but P plus Q together can complete a work in 10 days. And the next one, Q and R complete the same piece of work in how many days? 12 days. Next one, R and B complete the same piece of work in how many days? 15 days. But question what I am asking, only P alone can complete a work in how many days? This is a question. So what is a shortcut method? We should go with LCM. So what is LCM? Nothing but total work. LCM equals to, LCM is 60 because 12 and 10 and 12 LCM 60, 15 also common factor of 60. Finally 60 is LCM. 60 by 10. So 60 units. Let us consider total work 60 units. P plus Q alone in how many days? 10 days. So 1 day efficiency 6 units. 60 by 10 1 day efficiency for P plus Q. This is 5, 12, 60 by 12 5, 60 by 15. How much? 4. Am I clear? But in that question what I am asking, P alone. In the three sections, in first part, second part and third part, first part P appeared, third part P appeared, but in second part P doesn't appear, so it will be taken minus, remaining plus. అంటే ఎక్కడున్నాడో అక్కడ ప్లస్ రాసుకొని ఎక్కడ లేడో మైనస్ రాసుకోవాలి. ఇది 1 day ఎఫిషియన్సీ అవుతుంది. సో 6 minus 5 plus 4, వాట్ ఈస్ రిక్వైర్డ్ వాల్యూ? 6 minus 5 1 అంటే 5 అవుతుంది బై 5 ఇంటూ 2 కంపల్సరీగా మీరు ఫాలో అవ్వాలి, ఎందుకంటే P ఆల్సో కమ్స్ ట్వైస్. 5 1 జా 5 2 12 జా 12 into 2, దట్ ఈస్ ద రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. 12 2 జా 24 ఈజ్ రిక్వైర్డ్ ఆన్సర్. am I clear? ఇంటూ 2 ఎందుకు వస్తుందంటే P ఆల్సో కమ్స్ ట్వైస్. P comes twice, nothing but into 2 taken. 5 1 ja 5 12 ja. Am I clear? This is the required answer. Is it clear? So this is very important concept in time and work. So and next model, so concept worksheet 1 I will discuss you later. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.